Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio G-Shock watch model GBD-800UC-8ER. Let's get started. These are the latest additions to the new Power Trainer sports lineup from G-Shock. The good-looking designs and utility colors of these models maximize coordination possibilities with both everyday fashions and training wear. Function-wise, these watches link with the Casio Watches phone app to provide access to a number of functions that enhance workouts. Daily health and fitness support functions include a 3-axis accelerometer that keeps track of step counts, a multi-timer that lets you create up to 20 timer combinations of 5 timers each, memory for up to 200 lap records. The app also makes it possible to maintain step count logs with 5 exercise intensity levels, to calculate the calories you burn, to specify a daily step target, to create timer combinations and send them to the watch, to store stopwatch measurement data, to view data. All of this combines to help you plan and record your workouts, making them more effective and enjoyable. The case and bracelet are made of resin. The glass is mineral. The LED light on this G-Shock watch looks great. It is water resistant up to 200 meters, and the battery lasts up to 3 years. How do you like this color? The width of this model is 48 millimeters, and the weight is 59 grams. My wrist size is 17 centimeters or 6.6 inches. How do you like this watch, and how would you rate it from 1 to 10? Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.